Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what does link in bio mean on Instagram. So if you see that somebody says link in bio or on their story or post or whatever, what they basically mean is this. You need to go to that profile, so let's say it's this one, click on it, the where dogs, and link in bio means that there's a link in their bio, and this is their bio. As you can see, this weatherpets.com, you would click on that and then you have clicked the link in bio, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.